Hello friends, this is KYouTuber and welcome to this 22nd Kiluba tutorial. Today we are going to talk about the suffix MPE in Kiluba. Let's get started. The suffix P in Kiluba plus some adjective qualificative show an accentuation or an emphasis on the adjective. For example, Nkasa means young and nkasampe means very young. Nkasa means young, nkasampe means very young. Biya means good and biyampe very good. Muya means good and Muyampe very good. Mukulu means old and mukulumpe very old. Mula means long and mulampe very long. Mwipi means short and mwipimpe very short. Now the intonation matter because the intonation can change the meaning of the word. For example, if someone say Muyampe without too much intonation, and Muyampe means he's good. Now if someone say Muyampe means he's very good. Same goes from the next example, Mulampe. If someone says Mulampe means he's tall. Mulampe means he's very tall. That means there's a stress between on the word. There's a stress. La devient la and P devient P. And depending on the intonation, the meaning can change. So let's review one more time. The suffix P plus some adjective qualificative show an emphasis. And for example, Nkasa, which means young, and nkasampe, very young. Biya means good and biyampe, very good. Muya good and Muyampe, very good. Mukulu old, mukulumpe, very old. Mula long and Mulampe, very long. Mwipi short and mwipimpe, very short. The intonation matter. For example, Muyampe means good. Muyampe means very good. Mulampe means tall and Mulampe means very tall. So that is for today. Thanks for watching and more for kumona and please like and subscribe and we'll see each other in the next video. Bye.